woke up. Oh, I got 2 focus groups today on Zoom, so that's perfect. I don't gotta drive anywhere. Social media study at 11 a.m. and then the vacuum sealer user at 4 p.m. Both on Zoom. Another invitation to another study. From user interviews to 1 hour online study that pays $75. Perfect. Alright. Approved. I got scheduled. It's an hour long for $75. That's perfect. And on the 17th, I got the opinions. Busy today. So today, got the social media study, and then the vacuum sealer study, 100 and 125. Got the e-commerce business owner study, $100 for 2 hours. Another one, user interviews, UI. They've been inviting me to a lot of focus groups lately, man. And then the next day, the 17th, we got the one in Topanga Mall. Organic rice, $40 for an hour. I already got invited to 4 focus groups, all from user interviews. The one today at 11, that's from user interviews. Then on Friday, another one, user interviews. And the one last week was user interviews. And then the one on the 16th, again, user interviews. UI, user interviews, they've been booking me on a lot of focus groups lately. That's crazy. And they're all online through Zoom. Gotta get on this focus group grind, folks. Easy money. Focus group grinding. Shit. Oh, I got another invitation for a user interview study. I've been doing focus groups for the longest time. Like, pretty much as long as I've been a freelancer, as long as I've been acting, I've always been doing focus groups. It's been a good side hustle. During this pandemic, in the past year, this is the most focus groups I've ever done. Like, it's crazy. Before COVID, I was booking maybe like 1 or 2 focus groups a month. It was just like a side hustle, like just for extra income. Lately, I've been booking like 3 to 4 focus groups a week. At least 10 focus groups a month. Pretty regular now. I got another one, a $60 one. Let's see if I can qualify for this one. $60. Life after player interview. I guess that's me. I used to be a boy, like back in my college days. I guess I would consider myself a player. Like, I wasn't looking for anything serious, wanted to sleep around when I stand. So life after being a boy, I'm assuming that's what it means. Let's apply. What do I have to lose? Life after player interview. I think that's like people who used to be fuckboys, like now they want to change and stuff. That's what it seems like the study's for. So let's book it. Fuck it. Apply. I don't really play video games, but we'll just both. They meant gamers. Life after someone that plays video games. I was thinking player, like a boy, like someone, you know, like, oh, you used to be a boy back in the college days, now you want to be serious now. That was my impression of it, but they meant player, like a video game player. People who used to be gamers who don't game anymore. Let's see if I qualify. Technically, I used to play video games. I wouldn't consider myself a gamer, but I used to be really big with Sims, on WoW, World of Warcraft, StarCraft, GTA. Early years of college, like me and my homies, we used to go to the internet cafe on Topanga Canyon. I wonder if they're still open. We'd play Call of Duty as teams. All the homies, we would just play within ourselves. Call of Duty tournaments, Call of Duty battles. It was fun. So I guess I could say I used to be a player. Alright, anymore. And then stash, I just withdrew some stash. I'm withdrawing some of my stocks. So I gotta pay some bills, yo. $60 study for an hour. Hopefully I get approved for that. Let's keep grinding. Keep submitting for casting calls. Filling out focus group screeners. Let's go. So this is just letting you know that I have to do a tech test. Log in before the study. Test my internet speed, my webcam, my audio. Make sure everything is working properly. So there won't be any issues during the focus group. And come on, my computer is a brand new iMac. There's not gonna be any issues. Alright, keep grinding. I just saw a casting call on Casting Frontier for a feature film called Snake Eyes. They're looking for Asian gang members, yo. It sounds fun. And we're shooting in San Pedro. Asian male gang types. I just booked the focus group that day. Oh wait, the one that I booked is at 6 a.m. and it's only an hour long, from 6 to 7. Hopefully the call time of this is later. So I can do the focus group from 6 to 7, head out to the shoot right after. It's SAG and it pays $178. They're gonna pay us for taking a COVID test. And on top of that, it's $42 for a fitting. For those who are not in the business, a wardrobe fitting is they schedule you before the shoot. You meet up with the wardrobe stylist or costume designer. They measure you, pick out the wardrobe you're gonna be wearing. It's usually quick, half an hour to an hour. They pay you for your time. Those shoots I love. The wardrobe stylist already has clothes prepared for you to use. Because usually for shoots, especially when you do background, you have to bring your own wardrobe and you have to bring several options. It's just a pain in the ass having to look through them. You gotta bring garment bags, you gotta bring your clothing with you. And I've lost so many clothes on set. I leave it laying around and I just forget to pack it. But shoots like this where they do a fitting, I don't gotta worry about bringing clothes. And not bad. So it'll be like a $300 gig. $178 the day rate, $100 for taking the COVID test for 8 hours. And if it goes over 8 hours, then there's overtime. I'm submitting for sure. Submitted. All right, keep grinding. Oh, just a reminder. Let me see what's going on with the EDD though. they're extending it. Perfect. And then that new claim that I just applied for, once all the PEUC benefits are all paid out, then the new claim will take effect. I could just focus on my business, focus on my e-commerce, focus on YouTube, focus on social media, focus on focus groups. Ironic, focus on focus groups while I collect EDD money. Okay, so the 3 weeks that I have pending should all be paid out. $1,800 just transferred to my bank account. Pending. Hopefully it's soon because I gotta pay my AT&T bill, yo. Let's go. AeroPress bulletproof coffee. Bomb. Nice and frothy. Coconut flavor is really strong in this. Cheers, y'all. Another invitation from Focus and Testing. It's a home use test. Snacks taste test. If I could book this, that's 3 focus groups next week. 7 this week and then 3 next week. This is a take-home one. Go there, pick it up, do the study at home. I rarely eat Nutella, but you know, I already know, right? When I think of Nutella, I think of Vitality's DJTV. Can I eat Nutella off your ass? Vitality always say that in his pranks. Alright, booked another focus group, folks. This week I got 7 studies. Next week I got 3. Ever since COVID, I've been booking hella focus groups, yo. And then I'm shooting a movie on Friday. Grind mode, let's get it. From focus groups to eBay and Poshmark to investing in stocks and crypto to acting gigs to YouTube. Grind mode, shit. I pick it up on the 18th, so they give me the whole weekend to do it by the end of Sunday. Confirm. Bam. Just booked another home use product study. Grind mode. Submit to some more casting calls, more acting gigs, list some items for eBay and Poshmark, fill out some more screeners. And I gotta edit my YouTube video and post an Instagram post. Share it on all my social medias. That's the grind, yo. Keep grinding, let's go. Added that to my calendar. 16, 17, 18 booked. Today I got the 2 focus groups that I'm about to do. Matter of fact, I gotta get ready for it. Let me clean up a bit, get my webcam ready. I'm not gonna film the entire focus group. I'll just capture a little clip so you see how the online Zoom focus groups work. Catch you guys in a bit. Peace. Most focus groups, I'm gonna be real, I bullshit. But this is one of the studies where they're actually looking for social media influencers. That's perfect. You know, like I'm on social media all the time. I'm always sharing videos. I'm just gonna share the latest video that I posted. It's on my phone. Plus, on top of that, let them know I have a YouTube channel too. And I can market my YouTube channel. Focus Vision. This is their own in-house conference platform. It's just a tech check. Talk in the microphone, make sure the audio levels are good, your webcam is working. They're just making sure that there won't be any issues during the study. So they do a tech check prior. Your computer meets all requirements. Perfect. I got the 11 a.m. one, social media user, the vacuum sealer one in 5 hours. Grind mode. Let's go.